I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of homechef. Homechef is a meal delivery kit subscription that gets sent straight to your doorstep, so it's super convenient and it's honestly really affordable as well. This is my first time getting homechef, so I'm super excited. I can't wait to share with you what I got from homechef, and I can't wait to get the meals for this week. So looking on their website, they have so many different options for the meals. They have meal kits, they have like the culinary collection, which is a little bit more fancier if you want some extra stuff on your dinner plate, and just a regular meal kit. These ones look really good. There's a family meal, so you can just make one big pan together. There are the 15-minute meal kits, so it's super fast. There's also the Fast and Fresh series and the Oven Ready Plus. And for my meal kits today, I specifically purchased the Oven Ready meal kits and also the Fast and Fresh, since I just wanted something super fast and super accessible, since I know that it's going to be a very busy week. They have so many different options, and honestly all of them sound really good. So every week when I'm picking out the meals, when I tried to pick out this meal, I was trying to figure out like which meals I wanted to have, since there were so many good options. But you're able to select like how many meals you want. So if you have different preferences, or if you like different meals in your household, you can definitely just select whichever ones you want. So that's a really nice perk that they have. So I'm a new mom. My baby is like about 3 months old. I'm going on to 4 months. My maternity leave is ending, so I'll be going back to work, and I just wanted some meals that are super easy to prepare, since I know I'll be having much less time I don't even have that much time to begin with, so this is going to be such a lifesaver, but even more so since I'll have even less time when I go back to work. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Tiffany, and I post videos on YouTube related to lifestyle. I have a lot of food subscriptions. I did a review of Sunbasket. I also do other videos related to maternity, pregnancy, and fashion, lifestyle, you name it. So be sure to check out other videos. If you like this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe down to my channel below, the big red subscribe button. And so you can stay tuned for my next videos. So let's go take a look what's in this box. Okay, so this is super awesome. Everything is packaged well, and okay, they have this quality ingredients below, perfectly chilled, which I do appreciate. You want all of these fresh ingredients chilled, and so nothing goes bad. Definitely don't want any bad meals. Okay, so the first things I see are these, the recipes. They just tell you, I guess they're more like instructions. They just tell you exactly what to do. And, oh, I love how they have pictures on the back, so you know exactly what you need to do and there is no guesswork. So I love that part about them. This is the bigger one. Oh, this is the Oven Ready meals. There are some smaller inserts. This is the Fast and Fresh option, and also this is the Fast and Fresh Plus. So yeah, they're just different meals that you can choose from. This is the Oven Ready, this is the Oven Ready Plus. So it just depends which meals that you want. Oh my gosh, this looks so awesome. Wow, this is so cool. I love how they just package everything in these little bags. It's just so easy. Just super easy to transport them as well. This is the bolognese orzo soup, so everything is just in these little containers. To make weeknight meals super easy. Wow, I am really impressed. Like everything is just packaged all here. This is I think this is the Oven Ready meal. So I guess I love how they have the tray. They have the orzo, they have peas, they have everything chopped, so you don't have to prep anything really. Yeah, I can't believe they come with a tray too. That's super awesome. So I'm sure it'll make cleanup a breeze, which is super nice. I mean, you're already trying to do so many things in a day, and just cleanup is one of them. After you typically cook, you have to also clean all your pots and pans, and that can definitely take some time. So I love how they provide the trays, so you don't have to worry about anything there. So this is the bolognese orzo soup. I got 2 of these. This is Hawaiian style chicken and rice. This looks so awesome. Got 2 of these. Barbecue beef meatloaf. So great. This is the crispy jalapeno cheddar bacon chicken. All of these meals sound so good. And the salsa verde beef tacos. Okay, so those are all of the packaged stuff, and then it says quality ingredients below. So these are all of the meats, I believe. The sliced beef strips. There are the chicken breast fillets. And this is the ground beef, so everything is in here. This is the seasoned diced chicken breast. Oh, these are fully cooked, by the way. This is fully cooked diced chicken breast, fully cooked chicken breast. So these are all raw. Okay, so I think all of the raw ingredients, they put it in this plastic bag, which is really nice since you don't want the raw meats to be touching anything else. So I love how they separate the raw stuff. And then they just keep out the fully cooked ones. So I really like that touch. Props to Home Chef. Okay, so I just put the box down and I organized all the meal kits here. So let's go take a look at the bolognese orzo soup. I love how they have like this, the slider bars makes it super easy. Fully cooked orzo, sliced baby bella mushrooms, bolognese sauce, and I love how they label everything so you know exactly what it is. There's no guesswork. Peas, garlic salt, sounds so good. And this is like the shredded parm. Got some diced onions. Okay, I love how they have diced onions in a package like this, since you really don't want tears when you're dicing onions. Like, I've gotten so many tears from dicing onions. Like, let me know in the comments below if you've just shed tears, like just ripping tears from cutting onions, because that has definitely happened to me. So this little bag of flour. I love how everything is like pre-portioned, so you don't have to think about it. Like, you know, how much is 2 tablespoons? This is chicken broth concentrate, and just the container. The next one, let's take a look at the Hawaiian style chicken and rice. So yeah, let's see how it's different. It does still come with the tray, so that's similar. Soy sauce. This is such a cute container. It's a little bottle of soy sauce. This Asian garlic, ginger, and chili. Oh my gosh, 2 pineapple rings. So cute. Toasted coconut. Hawaiian sweet and sour sauce. This is a bag of jasmine rice and some bell peppers. So yeah, a little bit less ingredients. But I don't know if it's because of the recipe itself or just, you know, less work to prepare a fast and fresh option, which seems to be the case. So let's go take a look at another fast and fresh option and see if that is the same thing. So I wanted to mention that each of these bags, they have 2 servings. So if I got 2 bags, these are 4 servings. So because each bag is 2 servings. So let's go take a look at the salsa verde beef tacos. Cilantro, sour cream, shredded cabbage, mixed pepper fajita, Tabasco crumbles, the crispy jalapenos, lime, salsa verde, the tortillas here. So yeah, I have a different container, but I love how everything's just packaged. Everything, you just have to basically put the bags together, I guess. So that's super convenient. I got 2 bags, so 4 servings of these. I got 2 servings of the Honey Carolina barbecue beef meatloaf. I feel like this has more ingredients, but I think they just look like more ingredients. I have this one. Looks like a thyme. Panko barbecue sauce. Savory seasoning. Honey. Another barbecue sauce. Onion jam. That's interesting. Creme fraiche to be the sauce. So they have all of the items that you need for the recipe in these bags, but the meat is separate, so you just have to take it out. I guess if you put it in the refrigerator or the freezer, you just have to take it out. Last but not least is the crispy jalapeno cheddar bacon chicken. So let's see what's in here. First of all, the tray is kind of crushed, but honestly, you can just lift it up a little bit, move it around, it's no big deal. Green beans, cheese wedges. I love these cheese wedges. Crispy jalapenos. Got some bacon bits. Buttermilk dill seasoning. Voila. It's almost dinner time, so let's go and make one of the meal kits. Okay, so today I'm going to be making this Hawaiian style chicken and rice, which looks so good. I mean, also this is printed in this little card. This is the fast and fresh option. So over here On the back, it tells you 2 different ways of making this meal together. So you can do it through the microwave or to the oven. Today I have a little bit more time, so I'm gonna do it to the oven. But yeah, there is also a microwave option. This is all the items that they provide in this bag. I also put this one in the freezer a couple of days ago, so I need to defrost this. Got some pineapple ring. In this bag, they have like the Asian garlic, this Hawaiian sweet sauce, peppers, I think this toasted coconut, good, bag of jasmine rice, and soy sauce. I'm heating up the oven to 375 degrees, and I have the June oven. I did a review of the June oven. I'll have it linked. I know I usually get a lot of questions about this oven. It's a smart oven. I love it so much, and I'll have the video linked. But yeah, I'm gonna set this up to 375 degrees. Okay, I need to put the peppers into the bag, season with some olive oil, and then roast it into this pan. Okay, so I just did that. I need to place this on a baking sheet and then bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. The next thing is to make a slit in the rice and to massage the rice so there's no clumps. Then I'm going to place this into the microwave for 45 seconds. So I just took the peppers out and then I placed the chicken in this same container, and now I'm just going to push everything over to the side and add the rice on one side. Now I'm going to add the seasoning blend over the rice. Now I'm going to bake this until the chicken is heated through about 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I actually just mixed it all together after I took it out of the oven. So now I'm going to add the sweet and sour sauce. I'm going to break apart the pineapple rings and oh yeah, and also the soy sauce. I love it. I love how it's in this little container. So yeah, let's do and do that. Okay, so I just did that, and I had some of the toasted coconut here. I just placed it in this little bowl. Sprinkle some on top. So yeah, that is the finished meal. It's actually a really good amount. This bowl is actually really deep. So this is a really good amount for 2 people. So let's go and give this a try. Oh my gosh, this is so good. The pineapple with all of the flavors in the fried rice, it just tastes so good. And honestly, like, it was so easy to make. I'm honestly shocked at how easy it was to make. I basically whipped up this recipe in no time. But yeah, I'm really loving Home Chef. The meals are super tasty and they just took no time to make. I was a little bit worried about that. You still have to prep and stuff instead of just baking the meals directly. But I mean, the prep was so minimal, and they make the cleanup for you easy. They have them in the little bags. But yeah, I'm definitely loving Home Chef. Okay, so I just wanted to sit down and chat what I think about Home Chef. I personally feel that Home Chef is super awesome. Meals aren't too hard to make. They give you everything and they have little bags. They put them in so you don't know which ingredients to put for which meal. So I really like that part of it. The meals are really healthy. The ingredients were really fresh, which I really appreciate about. And the price point is actually not too expensive, like about $7 to about $12, give or take, depending on the meal. You can choose the meal and you can see which price point it has before you select that meal. So each meal has a different price point. So you can plan out your budget that way if you're a little bit more price conscious, but I think that the meals were really worth it. You get a decent amount of food for the price that you pay, and it tastes really healthy, it tastes really good, so I'm not complaining about the taste at all. Yeah, I love the taste. I think it's super awesome. I love how they package everything thoughtfully. They have the bags, they prepare the containers. So if you're like traveling somewhere and you just want like a taste of a home cooked meal, you can definitely just also order Home Chef and deliver that right to wherever you are. And also if you have like a limited kitchen space, you are not able to have a full kitchen, you can order the oven ready meals or the fast and fresh option. So you only need to have an oven or a microwave, which Most places have them anyway, so you don't have to do a stovetop. And what I like most about Home Chef is that there are so many options. I think this has so many options. I think far more than other meal delivery kits that I've tried. But again, they have so many options you can choose from, and they have like meal kits, oven ready, fast and fresh, 15 minutes meal kits. So it really caters to your lifestyle. Instructions are super clear on what to do. Really appreciate that. Now, the only thing about these meal kits is that it is still a meal kit. So even though it says like oven ready or fast and fresh, you still have to put them together, and you still have to do a little bit of cooking, like either seasoning or just baking. So it has a step-by-step process that you have to follow, like first adding the green beans, and then you add the chicken, and then you bake the meal. So some of them are easier than others. So the fast and fresh option, the microwave and also the oven directions, so that's super convenient. But yeah, I think this really depends on the recipe, and you can look at the recipe ahead of time before you select the meal. If you want like the least amount of effort, or you want to do like more effort, you can also take a look at the recipe instructions. So yeah, I think for a minimal amount of cooking for the oven ready and the fast and fresh, it's super convenient and super delicious. The only thing that I wish that they did is to have organic ingredients. These ingredients are not organic, but they're still super fresh, just not organic. So if you want an organic version, this might not be the meal kit for you. But everything else, like, I really like it. I love Home Chef. Like, I am a fan. If you like Home Chef and you're interested in giving this a try, I have a coupon code. I'll link it in the description box and also in the comments. You get $35 off your first order of Home Chef. Yeah, why not just give it a try and see if you like it? I really like Home Chef, and I will definitely be continuing this service for quite some time. So yeah, I'm a huge fan. I'll have everything linked down below so you can get your free $35. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Tiffany, and I do lifestyle videos, meal kits, everything. I recently gave birth to a son, so I'll have his Instagram right here and also my Instagram. If you like this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe down to my subscribe button down below. And I love it if you subscribe to my channel. It will definitely mean a lot. So yeah, hope you enjoyed and have a great rest of your day. Bye everyone.